In the last video on the Aero price prediction, I gave you this short. We made some really good money and I'm looking to enter longs. I won't waste a second of your time, so let's dive in. I already saw that we're getting some shorts closed right here. I know it's not updating properly for some reason, but I'm interested in longing. I'm gonna long right now and I'm looking to take profit. Oh, here it is. It started updating. We had some shorts closed right here and if we had a little bit of longs closed. Okay, so maybe I'll wait for one last confirmation because this is longs opened and shorts are at an all-time high. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna long because shorts are at 97. This rarely happens. That's actually a very good trade. O&O. I'm gonna long right now from my phone, and we're just gonna go for it. So arrow and here we go. This is the sound. Now we're gonna go to the signals chat and alert everyone. Arrow long. I'm gonna play it safe with this trade. I want to have like a super simple trade, to be honest with you. Just want to have something like this to 979 or something. For 1%, that's absolutely enough for this trade. And 1979, and that's an easy 200 bucks for me with some okay size. So that's basically how I trade Aero. And I'm gonna make another Aero video tomorrow, so make sure you are tuned in. If you want to learn my strategy, link in the description down below for my course made it super cheap or my signals chat. See you next video. No financial